This is an unboxing video of DRYFT and how to set it up ready for use. So first thing is make sure the machine is on a flat, stable surface, or ideally on the floor, and open up the box. Inside you'll see DRYFT centrally, and there's two boxes. One of them is an empty box for packaging, so just move this to the side. And the other box contains one DRYFT battery charger. You also have the user manual. There's the squeegee. The upper handle for the machine. Magnetic cleaning pad and a tool for the upper handle. So now we're going to take out the machine. So simply remove this packaging which is on the head, and the machine will lift out like so. We're then going to attach the squeegee. Firstly, make sure that the squeegee nuts are straight. We're going to lift the machine onto the squeegee, like so. Push this down, twist the two locking knobs, like so, and then tilt the head back and attach the magnetic cleaning pad, like so. You can activate the headstand so that it stands upright, and now we're going to put on the upper handle. So we're going to fit the top handle, which just has one screw to tighten this up. Simply insert this into the top hole. Make sure you push it all the way down, and also make sure that the bend comes backwards towards you. And then on the side you have a locking symbol on the casing, and then using the special screwdriver which came with the box, insert this into here. Make sure you tighten this nice and tight. No need to over tighten it, that's fine. The battery also comes pre-installed into the machine, so you can use it straight away, or you can fully charge it if you wish. The next thing to do is fill the tank with solution. So pull off the clean water tank, and then pull off the top cap. This twists to the side. We're going to fill this up under a tap and then refit the tank. Push this back into place, and then let the magnet attach the tank like so, and you'll see it says push on top here. Push the tank down to make sure it engages the water valve, and you're ready to go. So the next step is when you take it to the cleaning area, you have the large on-off button here. We're going to turn the machine on and simply select which type of floor you have. If you have a rough floor or grouted floor like tile and grout, then select this symbol. And if you're using it on a smooth floor like vinyl or LVT or marble, then you can use the smooth floor setting and simply switch it on, and you're ready to go.